Hello friends, I am Anandam from Bankbase. Friend, the NABARD Phase 2 examination is drawing near and you have very less time in hand. I hope that your preparation is going on in full swing in the right direction. Friend, taking any risk for the preparation means making the chances of your getting finally selected in the examination bleaker. So friend, you should not take any risk. You should pour your heart into its preparation. I hope so. But friend, you must bear in mind one thing, that the strategy that you may have made for the preparation of the very first phase cannot serve the purpose for the preparation of the second phase, as the second phase of NABARD exam is totally dominated by the descriptive papers. Friend, the descriptive papers include ESI, ARD and descriptive English. The descriptive paper requires skills. Which kind of skills? The skills of organizing your thought, the skills of setting the answers on a particular format, the skills to organize your thought within the limited time frame and within the limited word frame. How you can develop this kind of skills, friend? Obviously, you require a lot of descriptive mocks. Along with the descriptive mocks, you need to have proper evaluations of all the answers you have written. Okay, only 4 to 5 mocks for each and every paper, this descriptive paper cannot serve the purpose. You require a lot of descriptive mocks. Friend, Bankwiz is the only platform that provides you with a lot of descriptive mocks along with their evaluation within the record time. Friend, pay a visit to Bankwiz and come to know of the course details. And if you are an old aspirant of Bankwiz, you will get a 15% discount. By the way, friend, I am going to talk about the essay writing. We will learn how effectively we can frame an essay. Friend, our essay is a kind of art, and an art is developed with the passage of time. An art is developed with the practice that you do. Now friend, let us discuss how we can deal with the essay topic Gati Shakti National Master Plan, its objectives, advantages and challenges. Friend, as we know that an essay has a common format. It must be based on three important constituent parts. The first one is the introduction, the second one is the body, and the third one is the conclusion. Okay. Friend, the introduction and conclusion are the fixed parts of any essay. You must bear in mind that any essay must not be must not be started abruptly. It must not be ended abruptly. It must have a proper introduction. It must have a proper conclusion. Friend, you can drop the titles as introduction, body or conclusion. You can mention the content of these three titles by changing paragraphs in your essay. Okay. Friend, the introduction is nothing else but a very brief description about the essay topic. It may contain important dates, important facts, important figures. Figures means data. And in this way, you complete the introduction. Okay. And the conclusion is nothing else but the personal opinion about the given essay topic. Okay. Now friends, let us discuss how you can put your content in the introductory part of the essay. Friend, the introduction must be mentioning about the important date when the Gati Shakti National Master Plan was launched. Friend, as we know that the Gati Shakti Master Plan was launched on 13th October 2021. Okay, 13th October 2021. This is the important date you should mention in the introduction. Okay, and then you should mention in brief about the aim or objective. Okay, friend, as you know that the main objective of the Gati Shakti master plan is to bring 16 ministries together on a digital platform. Okay, its aim is also to remove red tape in the country, which is the root cause of the delay in infrastructure projects. Okay. Friend, then you should mention the objectives or aims in detail. Okay. And the benefits are also to be mentioned underneath. And let us discuss what are some benefits of this Gati Shakti National Master Plan. Friend, the first and foremost important benefit of this master plan is that, friend, as we know, that any country's growth lies in the factor of how the country is infrastructurally strong. If because of Gati Shakti National Master Plan, the infrastructure of the country gets improved, then a lot of investments will take place. Domestic investments will be there, the foreign investments will be there, and in this way, a lot of employment generation will take place, and per capita income in this way will increase in the country. Overall, the GDP will increase in the country. So, these are the benefits you should mention. Now, friend, you should give conclusion to the essay topic. Friend, as I have told you, that conclusion is nothing but your personal opinion. Friend, you can mention in conclusion as the Gati Shakti Master Plan will bring about economic transformation in the country as China witnessed between 1980 and 2010. Japan between 1960 and 1990, and so will be the case of India. If Gati Shakti National Master Plan is properly materialized, then India's GDP will be there in double digits, and it will be on the fast track of development, and India will stand in the league of developed countries in the coming few years. Thus, friend, this is all about the essay. Friend, in the next video, I will be dealing with some other essay topic. Hope you have got benefited out of this particular video session on essay. Wish you all the best.